Hello viewers, our today's topic is surface areas and volumes. Let us solve question number 6. How many silver coins 1.75 centimeter in diameter and of thickness 2 millimeter must be melted to form a cuboid of dimension 5.5 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 3.5 centimeter? The silver coin is in the shape of a cylinder. So we can calculate the volume of the silver coin using the formula volume of the cylinder. So radius equal to 1.75 divided by 2. Height of the cylindrical coin is 2 millimeters. This is the cuboid. Its length is 10 centimeter, breadth is 5.5 centimeter and its height is 3.5 centimeter. The radius of the cylinder is diameter divided by 2, 1.75 divided by 2 centimeters, and the cuboid dimensions are 10 centimeter, length 5.5 centimeter breadth and 3.5 centimeter height. So the number of silver coins melted to form cuboid of dimension 10 into 3.5 into 5.5 centimeter equal to volume of the cuboid divided by volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylindrical silver coin. So write the formula for volume of the cuboid as LBH, length into breadth into height, divided by volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Pi r square h. So LBH divided by pi r square h. Substituting the values, length is 10, breadth is 5.5, height is 3.5 divided by the value of pi is 22 by 7. The value of r is 1.75 divided by 2. So 1.75 divided by 2 the whole square into height is 2 millimeters. Ten into 5.5 into 3.5 divided by 22 into 7 will go to the numerator into 1.75 square. 2 square will go to the numerator into the value of 2 millimeters equal to 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter, 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeters. So 2 millimeters equal to 2 by 10 centimeters. Substituting the value of 2 by 10 centimeter in the place of 2 millimeters. This 10 will go to the numerator. 10 into 5.5 into 3.5 into 7 into 2 2s are 4 into 10 divided by 22 into 1.75 into 1.75. 1.7 square is 1.5 into 1.5 into 2. 10 into 5.5 is 55. 3.5 into 10 is, place the decimal point after one digit. 7 into 4 is 28 divided by 22 into 1.75 into 1.75 into 2. 2 14s are 28. 2 11s are 22. 11 5s are 55. 2 7s are 14. 5 35s are 175. Place the decimal point after 2 digit. Seven into 1.75 is 25. Place the decimal point after 2 digits. Now 35 divided by 0.35 into 0.25. 35 divided by 0.35 into 0.25 is, now convert 0.35 into whole number. So 0.35 into 100 is 35 and 0.25 into 100 is 25. So 4 zeros. Multiply both in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Multiplied by 1 to 100, 100. $35 into 25 divided by 25, 400 coins. Totally they are 400 coins. So the number of silver coins melted to form a cuboid equal to 400. So the number of silver coins melted to form a cuboid equal to 400 coins. 400 coins melted to form a cuboid